Hello guys, welcome to our channel Fun Plus Code. I am super excited because this is our second video in Python, that is variables and keywords. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to click the notification bell, then only you will get instant notifications of our videos. Without making further delay, let's get into the topic. Before that, first you have to install a Python on your laptop or PC. Yes, you must have a laptop or PC for this. Open any of your browser and type Python. Like so. Here you have to click this download Python 3.8.3 because this is the latest version. I am a Windows user, so I am downloading here. If you are a Linux user, you have to click here. If you are using Mac, you have to click here. So I am clicking here. So it starts its download. Wait for a while. I will give all of these links in my description. You can check it out there. I have already downloaded this Python shell. Today we are going to see some of the examples using this only. Before that, what is variable? Answering to this question is quite simple. A variable is nothing but a reserved memory location to store some values. It means when you are creating a variable, you are allocating some space in the memory location to store your data. For example, num equal to 5. Here num is a variable that contains the integer value 5. See how much simple declaring a variable is. Wait. Before that, we have to see what is meant by an identifier. The name identifier itself suggests that it is used to identify something, like our name. Because name is used to identify a person, right? Likewise, in Python also, it refers to a variable name, function name, class name, module name, or object name. We have some certain rules to declare an identifier, or we can say a variable. First point is, it should be alphanumeric characters, that is from A to Z. This is the alphabets, and from 0 to 9, this is the numeric values. Second point is, no special characters except underscore should be used. Special characters in the sense at, ampersand, dollar, hash and all. And one more important point is, space is also a special character. Okay. Third point is, it should always start with an alphabet or underscore. Last one is, should not use keywords as a variable. We will see what is meant by keywords. Before that, we can see some of the examples. Left side is the correct example and right side is a wrong example. Some of the correct examples are, first one is num2 equal to 5. It is a combination of alphabets as well as numerics. Second one, it is starting with the underscore. Third one is purely alphabet var equal to 27. Last one is a var underscore 1 equal to 20.5. Wrong example in the sense we should not start with the special characters like at, percentage. It should be a combination of variables and numerics. Space is also a special character. Next one is, a good thing about Python is it does not need explicit declaration of variables. You may ask, then what is meant by an explicit declaration of variable? The answer is here. It means you need not to specify the data type at the time of variable declaration. Let's have a look at the example to understand it more clearly. So num equal to 10. Here num is a variable, 10 is a value which is present inside the variable. As I said before, it does not need any data type. So if I give num, it will display result like 10. One more example is channel name equal to, like I am going to give fun plus code. So channel name is a variable, fun plus code is a value which is stored inside the channel name. Okay. If I give channel name, it will display fun plus code. Okay. This is the output. One more example is float value. This is just a variable name. You can give any variable name you want. Equal to 5.6. If I give float value, it will display 5.6. So this is the result. These are all some of the examples for variable, right? So we need not to specify any data type name before the variable name as we do in other programming languages. Like for example, num equal to 10. In other programming languages, we're supposed to give like int space num equal to 10 because that is an integer. Second one is channel name equal to fun plus code. Since it is a string, we need to specify like string space variable name equal to fun plus code. That is a value. We can declare a string within double quotes or single quotes. Okay. Final one is a float value. It is just a variable name equal to 5.6. In other programming languages, we have to specify a float space like variable name equal to 5.6. That float, int, string, that are all the data types. So here in Python, we need not to specify the data type. That is the explicit declaration of variable, right? Next, we are going to see about keywords or the reserved words in Python. So this is the keyword list in Python. Just pause the video, have a look at this table. I hope you have gone through the table. So let's see the example for keywords. So I'm going to use the following keywords like class, while, import, break. You should not do that. I'm using class keyword equal to, for example, fun. So class is a keyword. We should not use that keyword while declaring a variable. So it will throw like this, invalid syntax or syntax error. Because all the keywords are reserved for some purpose, as I said before. Second example is break equal to 10. 10 is an integer and break is a keyword. Again, it will throw error like invalid syntax or syntax error. We can see one more example. While is also one of the keyword equal to 5.6. This is a float value and while is a keyword. And again, it will throw syntax error. So keywords are the reserved words we should not use while declaring a variable. Keywords. Next, we are going to see how Python stores all the variables. Where these variables will be present? That is a big question mark, right? In which memory it is storing all of the variables and values? Yeah, you are right. Definitely variables are all storing in a memory. That is in RAM, random access memory. The name itself telling that it is randomly accessing a memory. So it is randomly storing these variables and values in the memory. So let's have a look at this example for clear understanding. So this is a variable. Consider this is a RAM, random access memory, and this is a value. So left side num equal to 5. And float value equal to 8.5, int value equal to 450. So this num5 is storing in a third position. Float value 8.5 is storing in a first position. Int value 30450 is storing in a second position. So it is randomly storing its value in the memory address, right? This is how Python stores all the variables and values in the memory. That's all about today's video, guys. I'm ending the video here. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section. I will clear those doubts or else I will make separate video for that. So I'm ending the video here. Bye-bye. Take care.